Joe Walker with Solesbee's Equipment Attachments. I'm here in St. Louis, Missouri with Luby Equipment. They're finishing up the installation of the Solesbee's equipment powered by Norm Engineering hydraulic rear rippers on a Takeuchi TL12 V2. The rippers do have cat-style teeth on the tines, and the arm is made of AR400 steel. So very strong, very sturdy, gonna last a long time. So we picked Takeuchi to start with because we had a lot of comfort in Norm's history, Norm's relationships, and also it turns out this is the most straightforward installation that there is in the market right now. There is no one else making attachments, specifically rear rippers like this, for the market.